There are various kinds of Google ads. So you might know about Google search ads, Google display ads, Google video ads, and there are shopping ads as well. So there are a lot of different ad formats in Google, and Google offers some free certification courses to learn about these things. So that's what we'll be seeing in this video. So the very first one is Google Ads Search Certification Program. So in this particular course, you have nearly 4 hours video content, and this is a beginner level course. So even if you do not know anything about Google Ads, you can still enroll in this program, and you can learn for free of cost, and you can also get a certification directly from Google at the end of the program once you pass the assessment. So this certification program can help you learn all the things that you need to know about Google search ads, and how people are creating Google search ad campaigns, and what are the things you need to know about it. So everything will be covered in this program. So let me tell you how this works. So here you can see what are the lessons that you have for this particular certification. So you have nearly 9 lessons, like grow your business with Google Ads, explore the value of Google search, understand the Google Ads option, deliver the right message with text ads, and there are a lot more lessons. So these are the lessons which you are getting in this particular certification program. So first you need to take these lessons, take all these lessons, learn from it, and then you can move on to the actual Google Ads search assessment. So here you can see pass the assessment and earn a certification. So what you have to do is you have to take these lessons, learn from it, and then take the assessment, pass it, and get your Google Ads search certification. So this is how it works. There are a lot more Google Ads certification which we'll be seeing in this video. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. So now let's get back to the content. So as I said, Google Ads Search Certification Program is the first one in our list, and the next one is Google Ads Display Certification. So this is where you will learn all the things you need to know about Google Display Ads, how to create it, what is the strategy you need to use for Google or display ads. So basically Google ads are used by businesses to promote their products, to get more sales, or get more reach. So Google ads are used by businesses. So if you want to learn about these things, you can actually make use of these certifications directly coming from Google. So again, in this program you have nearly 6 lessons about Google display ads. You can make use of these lessons, and then you can take the assessment, and after passing the assessment you can get your certification. So this is the second one. So there is a criteria for passing the assessment, which I'll tell you later, because there is a passing percentage. I'll tell you that. Wait a second. Before that, let's see the courses first. So the next one is Google Ads measurement certification. So this is where you learn how to measure the actual performance of your ads, and how you can optimize the ads to make it better. So for this particular program, there are again 6 to 8 lessons. You have to go through these lessons. They have divided this into 3 different sections, like achieve your goals, measure what matters, expand your strategy. So take all these lessons and then complete the assessment and get your certification. So this is the third one, Google Ads measurement certification. And then you have Google Ads video certification. Basically YouTube comes under Google, so you will be learning about leveraging the power of YouTube advertising, and as well in this particular certification program. You have nearly 4 hours content for this one. And then you have shopping ad certification, which is very popular these days because e-commerce is growing rapidly. So if you want to know how to leverage the power of shopping ads, you should take this program. It's a very good one. And you have nearly 3 hours content for this particular shopping ad certification, and even you have nearly 7 lessons for it as well. So make use of it. And then you have few more lessons like Google Ads app certification. So for this program you have nearly 3 hours content in which you learn how to create Google app campaigns. Basically you learn all the advanced strategies as well, and you can get your certification after completing the assessment successfully. And the final one is Google Ads creative certification. Sorry, this is not the final one, we have one more course. So here in this Google Ads creative certification, what you'll exactly learn is how to create an ad copy, how to create a image or a video, which basically you'll be using in the ads to get better output. In this program you have 4 hours content, and all these are beginner level programs. So as you can see here, you have 4 lessons on create effective ads for video campaigns, for display campaigns, app campaigns, and search campaigns. So these are the things which you'll be learning in this particular course, and you can get your certification after completing the assessment. And the final one is grow offline sales certification. So this is a 2.5 hours program in which you can learn how to grow your offline sales using Google, and there are a lot of lessons for it as well. So you can make use of these lessons and learn about it, and then you can gain your certification as well. But the important thing to note here is you can take the assessment, but you can take it only once for 24 hours. Let me just show you the important thing here. There is no limit to the number of attempts that you can make, which means there is no limit to the number of times you can take the assessment. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is you just have to score 80% or greater than that to pass the assessment. And once you pass the assessment, you will be able to download your certification. But keep in mind that if you don't pass the certification, you have to wait for 24 hours until you can take it for the next time. So there are unlimited attempts as well to complete the assessment and get the certification directly from Google. So I hope you will find these programs useful. Now let me just tell you how you can enroll in these programs. So what you have to do is I'll give you a link in description which will take you to a page in our website. From there you can get all these certification links. So you just have to select the certification which you want to take, and once you are in the certification page, just click on login and log in with your Google account. It's a very simple process, and once you are logged in, just scroll down and click on get started and start the lessons, complete it and pass the assessment and get your certification. So I hope this will be useful for you. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.